made some skillet nachos, and I'm going to show you how I did it. We want to first ground a pound of ground beef, and we'll get that ground up, and then we'll go to our second step. I'm only making a pound because it's just me and Brian, so you can adjust this recipe for as many as people as you want to serve. You can make it as much as you want, or for me and Brian, I'm just using a pound of hamburger. So let me get this browned up, and I'll be right back. Your chips and make it a 400-degree oven and just layer it out as evenly as you can on the pan, and bake them for 3 to 5 minutes until they're just warm. And it's just me and Brian, so we don't need a whole lot. Okay, we'll stick it in the oven. Once your ground beef is all brown, and you want to drain it because you don't want the grease to make your chips soggy, you just add 1 can of cheddar cheese soup. Now you can do the nacho cheese, but I always prefer this better. And I don't add taco seasoning or nothing to my meat because I want it to have a different taste than just taco. And then you want to add a 1/2 cup of milk. And get that all melted in there and let it simmer for just until it's all incorporated. And then your toppings, whatever you add to your toppings, well, make it the way you like it. This was always one of my girls' favorite dishes. So, here I'm going to show you how I make it. We're going to the alarm just went off for my chips, so I'm going to get them out of the oven real quick while this just kind of simmers together. Okay, that's all done. Now for the fun stuff. I'm going to get it and layer it and show you what we choose to top it with. Just layer some meat over top the chips. This is not a fancy meal. It's quick and easy, and your kids will love it. We want to add some salsa. A little dab of sour cream. And a little bit of green onions for some color. I think my scissors need, and then some jalapeños. And this is Brian's plate because I do not like these things. And then we're going to top it with some queso cheese. There you have it. Quick, easy dinner, and the kids will love it. At least mine did. There you go. We're going to eat it when it's hot, so thanks for stopping by, and we hope to see you soon.